Whatever works, works. It's goody team. Welcome to tonight's isolation session for March 30th, 2026. It's almost the last day of the month, man. Already in April. Ooh, man. Let's get to work, man. We'll give everybody a few minutes to join and then we will get started. For the ones watching the recording, if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. We'll be going over the pairs you see on the right hand side with the red flag next to their name, starting off with AUD-USD, finishing off with silver. Yesterday's session was pretty good, so today we'll cut it short. We'll do it quick. Really nothing to talk about on the daily or the 4 hour for a lot of these pairs, so we'll focus on the 30 minutes. So again, the session shouldn't really take longer than 30 minutes tonight. I'm bilingual. Je m'appelle Luis Guzman. Eu não falo português. ¿Tú hablas español? Arigato. Bimbonante kenishinai. You don't know more languages than me, man. Come on. Je m'appelle Luis Guzman. I think I said that one already. Says la vie. What else? What else do I know? What other language do I know? Fucks with me, man. Fucks with me. You speak français? You speak français or what?
Move some dirt around. I said, Bryce, take that tractor out. You're going to get it stuck in the mud. We argued for 10, 15 minutes. He's convinced it's ground. 3 minutes later, tractor stuck in the mud. Bryce says, oh, don't worry, Dad. I'll grab my truck. I'll pull it out. I said, you're not bringing your truck out. We'll get your truck stuck. It's only two-wheel drive. Walking in the house. A couple minutes later, his truck stuck. Oh, but he called a buddy with four-wheel drive who came out here but forgot to put it in four-wheel drive. Guess what?
Fucking doom scrolling on TikTok because you know nothing else to do.
So this is how much I'm.
Chipotle tacos were fire. I never had the Chipotle tacos, bro. This shit is just like not filling. They're just too small. Eat them bitches in two bites. You got the flour tortilla or the actual the shell. Fucking $9 for three tacos, bro. You get the fuck out of here. Like yo, I'd rather get the bowl. They decent. I get hella shit on mine. Three low key filled me out. I'd rather get a bowl for the same goddamn price. Brings a lot more food. Eat the whole bowl, wake up the next morning and want to eat it some more. Yo, gas is at 4.29 over here. 4.29, yo. 4.99 for regular. Yeah, yeah. This shit is kind of getting a little scary, dude. I might have to find another gas station. I gotta download that app. Gas Buddy, I think it's called. I'm not filling up gas for $4. Yo, you tripping. Oh shit, we're already 2 minutes past seven. Fuck. All right, let's do this session quick. So AU, once again, we're at the top of the zone of consolidation on a downtrend, looking for that level three drop back down to the bottom. 3 months of drop, or 3 months of rise, sorry. After 3 months, the market must move sideways or go down. On the 4 hour time frame, we finally got that 4 hour change. Got the lower low, looking for a lower high. We don't have a set low just yet, so we're gonna keep this as it is. On the 30 minute, we had price give us lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Then price gave us low, lower high, lower low. We're gonna keep this for now. Just gonna mark it up here. Trading between these highs and these lows. I'm gonna use the bottom of the wick, the top candle here, so we can have a little bit of an area. And we finish the day off on a little no nut. Little no nutter would do it. That'll do it. I got taken out for lunch. I feel like a princess. Yeah, I wished it. I wish. You gotta come to Chicago, you gonna meet your future wife? I don't know about all that. EA, we are still in a higher high, higher low situation. 3 months of drop. After 3 months, the market must go up or move sideways. It's looking good. 4 hour, nothing on the 4 hour. Price gave us a lower low, change of character. We had 2 weeks of rise. This week being the third week, price opened. Market opened for the week, went up, came back down. So we already hit that third month high. Or sorry, that third week high. I don't know why I have this marked as a month. Then we had higher high, higher low. Then price gave us these higher highs over here. Got the inducement. Then price came down. Literally same shit we talked about yesterday. Super simple stuff. Super simple stuff. Waiting it out for EA. ECAD just moving sideways, so I'm just going to update this on the 30 and we'll move on. We had a third week high that price tapped into already as well. We had that gap that price already filled. We'll keep an eye on ECAD for the week. EU got that gap, filled it, came back down, gave us another day of drop. What do we have this here for? I don't remember. Oh, the 30-minute. Right, so then price gave us a change of character back down to the bottom. Right, high, higher, low, gave us the inducement higher high, then price came down into the bottoms. So let's update this real quick. I'm gonna make some noodles once I'm done here. I'm a little hungry. Price failed to give us a valid break. Gave us the inducement. Tapped into these highs 3 times. Dude, hello. 1, 2, 3 shorts. EU will also wait it out. We're just moving counter trend. Still trading in the same area for GA. Have a day of drop. GCAD still in the same area. We have a third week high for GCAD as well that price has not tapped into just yet. That's perfect. Let's start from the top. This could be a good pair to keep an eye on. We're at the bottom of the zone of consolidation. 30-minute time frame. We are trading higher high, higher low. Price gave us the higher high, so let's mark this up as well. Let's do this. We already have a lot of things drawn here, so that gap we could take it out. Clean this up just a little bit. GCAD definitely going to be on our watch list for the week as well. GJ, I'm currently not trading it, so I'm just going to update this, keep it pushing. GJ, I'm waiting it out for a little bit. You gonna be gay? What? Be proud? Alright, bet it. GU similar to EU and also similar to GJ in a sense that I'm currently not gonna be trading um GU. We're also moving counter trend. It gave us the change, it gave us the break down to the bottom. So once we start uptrending again for GU, that's when I'll start trading. We are now trading between these highs, and the lows aren't set just yet, so we're gonna keep the 30-minute lows where they're at until we get those set lows. Price is still making lower lows and lower highs, so we'll wait it out. US 30. Market got a tee up, man. Got a day of rise, 2 days of drop, opened with a gap for the week, resets the trend, gave us that third day low with the gap. Price also filled the gap that we had yesterday. We gotta update this on the 4-hour as well. But we know we have the change of character lower low. We have the set lows that are down here. Right into these highs at the top. And on the 4-hour, we have lower low. We don't have a valid break just yet, but we do have lower low, lower high, lower low. What the fuck? Guess we do have a low set over here. For gold, we have a day of no net. Price just moved sideways today. And we've just been moving sideways these last couple days. Still trading between the same parameters on every single time frame. Bitcoin, we ended on a no net yesterday as well. And then we still have 40 minutes for the market to close for crypto. So we'll be patient with this one.
He's lying. He's lying.
4-hour, nothing. We could take this off already. What they cooking over there?
I don't know.
Fuck. Price gave us change of character back to the top side. We are now trading between these highs and these lows. He already left, man. Oh, yo, fuck, dude. Fuck. The gas is at 4:30, yo. You gotta stop. Please come back down. I gotta fill my gas tomorrow, please. Please. And then silver, same thing as gold, man. We're just moving sideways here, so gonna play it safe. Once again, guys, it's not nothing anything too crazy to talk about. We have some pairs that could give us potentials for the rest of this week. Specifically, what was it, GCAD? Will leave the house from oil tanky, bro? Facts. For GCAD, we had the just higher highs, higher lows the entire time. At the higher high, it gave us a zone of consolidation, and now we're seeing that pullback. So GCAD will be an interesting one to keep an eye on for the rest of this week to give us that third week push to the top side again. Remember, we do have a gap at the beginning of the week. Gaps in the market reset the trend. So just be aware of this. Wait for the lower time frame to start making higher highs and higher lows, give you the change, give you the break, and then take those trades back to the top side. So that's what we're going to be waiting for. Currently, price is still giving us, as we can see, lower lows and lower highs. Right? You go to the lower time frame, that's what you see. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Right? So we'll wait for the market to do what they got to do. We're on the 800 EMA. Usually, price respects the 800 EMA. So we'll see what price wants to do in this area to then continue. And that's pretty much it. Again, there wasn't really a lot to talk about. Like I said this morning in the Discord, I woke up, looked at the charts. Most pairs already hit STP or ADR by the time we woke up. or some of the other pairs were just in a range, just consolidating, moving sideways. So we just gotta let those pairs develop a little bit longer before we start taking those trades. So really quick session today. The day that I do a quick session, Muhammad's not even here. Crazy. Only time when it's safe. Yeah, we gotta. I'm gonna call Trump tomorrow. Be like, yo, buddy, please, let's get oil down. My friend, please. Yo, you know what else I gotta start doing? Yo, I gotta start doing my push-ups again, bro. It's been like 2 weeks. Haven't done my goddamn push-ups, yo. I'm slacking. But any questions? Anything in specific you want me to go over? Yeah, I'm sure he got something up his sleeve. All right. You gotta lock in, man. That shit is just so boring, bro. But I'll start again. I'll start again tonight. Before I go to bed, I'm gonna do my push-ups. Wake up tomorrow, do my push-ups, get on the charts. Do what we gotta do, bro. That's it, yo. April 1st, I gotta lock in. All right. All right, guys. Peace out. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Have a good rest of your night.